Does email marketing even work anymore? Like, is it actually relevant? What up guys, Ben Oberg here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you some of the best email marketing softwares that I've used. We're going to be going over if email marketing is actually even relevant, and I'm also going to be teaching you about how to properly do email marketing for your business, because email marketing still is relevant. There is a place for it if you do it properly. So I'm going to actually be going over all the tips and tricks and showing you a case study how my email list has made me hundreds of thousands of dollars. And I encourage you to actually take notes, get out a pen and piece of paper, because I am going to be teaching you exactly how you can do this for your business as well. So let's get in how to do email marketing all in this video. Okay, so first thing, let's cover the do's and don'ts of email marketing, and I actually want to discuss with you just how relevant email marketing is, because I know I said it is relevant, but it's also not relevant at the same time, okay? So think of this for a second, all right? When you're getting emails right now, like look at your inbox. I'm sure that you get emails that you don't recognize and you wonder, like, how did those even get there? At some point in the past, you must have subscribed to somebody's email marketing software for some sort of update, some sort of discounts, or you must have consented to, hey, send me offers. And so pretty soon your email inbox turns into just a generic compilation of bullshit. And you don't want that if you're the person trying to do email marketing to somebody else's business, all right? You want to be crisp, you want to be clear, you want to land into somebody's inbox and be able to actually stick out. Not like a sore thumb, but like a thumb that you want to be sore, that you actually want to click on. You understand what I'm saying? Hey, speaking of thumbs, smash that like button if you haven't done so already. Here's the problem that happens a lot of times. A lot of people will start doing email marketing, okay? And here's the inbox right here. And then you've got trash and spam. A lot of times emails are going over here and you don't even realize it. So of course you have to make sure that with your email marketing, you're actually going to the inbox where people are actually seeing and opening your emails. Now, if we're talking about building a business and making money from email marketing, let's talk for a second about how that can actually happen, okay? So let's say that you have an offer, okay? I'm gonna use a different color pen here. Let's just say that you have an offer, okay? Here's your website or your sales funnel, okay? And people are gonna come in and they're gonna decide if they wanna do business with you. Typically what happens, especially with online marketing, is you have a landing page, okay? There's a landing page here, and I know this is a horrible sales funnel. As a matter of fact, I'm going to start this part over because I wanna draw a better picture. I'll be right back. All right, everybody, now I'm back because I've drawn a better picture, which you can see right back here, okay? So with your emails, what typically happens is you're going to put an offer out there on the internet, you're running ads to it, you're posting on social media, whatever the case may be, and people are coming into your offer. This is typically put on what we call a landing page, okay? This landing page has a little bit of a claim, okay? How to make money online, $10,000 in the next 30 to 90 days, even if you're brand new, even if you've never done it before, even if you're a beginner, okay? And then it's got like a couple little bullet points to incentivize them on why they should want what you have to offer. And it's a free guide, it's a PDF, it's a little training. This could be an e-commerce product, it could be a professional service you're providing, it could be a consultation, you could be an affiliate marketer. The reality is product doesn't matter, okay? It doesn't really matter. Point is, people are coming to this page and they're deciding whether they want to opt in or not. They're gonna give you their email or they're not, okay? When it comes to this, as soon as they opt in, you now have their email. Now they're gonna go on through some sort of sequence in this funnel here. They can go to the sales page, which has the product or the service that you're offering, and they're either gonna buy it or they're not. Then they're gonna go onto the order page where they fill out their payment information, and then they're gonna go to a confirmation page, and now they are a sale. Now this is a very simple sales funnel. Of course, some will have one-time offers, some have upsells, some have downsells, some are video funnels, some are webinar funnels, etc., etc., etc. Okay, the point is, I know I'm talking fast, but you guys are gonna love this, okay? If you wanna do email marketing properly, as soon as you have their email, you have a couple little things that you need to address, okay? This person you don't know. You know them worse than they know you, okay? And so you need to make sure that you immediately are able to cater to their interests, overcome their objections, and incentivize them to actually go in and do business with you. Because reality is, let's say you get 100 people into your sales funnel, maybe 3 to 5 of them actually buy the product. That is great, okay? To do email marketing effectively, you're now gonna take these 3 to 5 people off of your main list, and they are now on your buyers list, okay? They are on your buyers list. You do not want to treat them in the same regard that you want to treat your prospects. These people have already done business with you. They are worth an elevated level of income to you, okay? You don't want to continue to market to them the same thing that they've already bought. So they come off the generic list, they go on to your buyers list. In a little bit here, I'm gonna bring up some of the best email marketing softwares you can use, and you're gonna see some of the income that I've been able to generate from my email list as well, all in this video, so do not go anywhere, okay? So once they've bought, then they're gonna go on to a buyer's list, all right? You don't wanna continue obviously promoting stuff and shoving shit down people's throat that they've already bought. It's gonna piss them off, they're gonna unsubscribe, you'll lose subscribers. But there's 95 to 97 people that still have not bought the product or the service. It doesn't mean they won't. All it means is that in this sequence right here, you didn't solve their problems, okay? There's more work to be done. You didn't identify what they need. You didn't incentivize them enough. Didn't hit with them. Didn't hit home with them, okay? So now in your email marketing, you got a couple things you need to do. You need to incentivize them as to why they should go back in and do business with you. You're overcoming their objections. You're thinking, okay, what would my concerns be if this product was put in front of me? Would I be skeptical about it? Why would I be skeptical? Have I tried something in the past? Have I tried a weight loss program before? Have I tried a program to bulk up? Have I tried to make money online before and it didn't work? Does this system look trustworthy? Can I trust this guy? Do I like his ginger-headed beard? I don't know, maybe you don't, okay? Go and drop it in the comments. Let me know if you like the beard, all right? It used to be a chin strap. Now it's actually the whole thing. So personally, I think you should love it. I think you should like it, okay? You gotta incentivize them. Why should they do business with you? Now, if they haven't bought immediately, here's something really important. And most people, this is one big secret that most people overlook. They never even think about this, okay? When you're usually doing email marketing, and you might be a victim of this, you keep sending an email every day, every other day, every week, an email, every day, an email. And people continue to not buy, and your open rates, your deliverability go down further and further and further. And in a little bit here, I'm also gonna talk about how you can increase your open rates and make sure you're always going to inbox and not spam, so do not go anywhere, okay? To do email marketing effectively, you wanna make sure you incentivize, and then figure out, what do they want? What do the people want? Give them what they want, okay? So instead of just sending email after email after email after email after email and wondering why you are not getting any sales, don't you think that if they saw the offer, didn't buy, you'd want to incentivize them further up towards the top of your sequence in the first couple emails that they get? Don't you think you want to incentivize up in this region and immediately get to like what it is that they want? Ask them what they want. Hey, and you got to get good at, copywriting and things like that and understand what to put in your emails. But the basic point of it is like, hey, thank you so much. Benny here. Listen, I noticed that you didn't pick up your copy of XYZ. Could you go ahead and give me a reply? I'm always looking at how I can do business better. I really want to be able to help you as much as I can. What is the problem that you're looking to be solved? What are you specifically looking for? If you could tell me that, and if I can help you, I will. And if I can't, hey, I'm just gonna tell you, man, I'm not the guy for you. Unfortunately, I can't solve your problem, but I would at least love to try. So if you could let me know, are you looking to make more money in e-commerce? Are you brand new to starting an online business? Or are you looking to get into affiliate marketing, okay? I've asked them to reply to the email. I'm literally trying to address what they want, and I'm giving them options. Put them in buckets, okay? Are you brand new to starting an online business? Are you trying to get into affiliate marketing, or are you getting into e-commerce? They go, oh, e-commerce. Well, shit. At least I know now, because none of my offer had anything to do with e-commerce. But if I can promote to them an affiliate product that's gonna help them with e-commerce, if I have a product that will help them with e-commerce, now I know what they want. What do they want? You need to address that early on, because if you're not addressing that at all in your email marketing, well then people are not opening your emails. You're just like every other email in their inbox. They're not gonna open them. It's all spam now to them at this point. They're not gonna open, they don't care because you didn't solve their problem. So early on, you need to incentivize and you need to figure out what do they want. Do not wait for that, okay? If they see the offer and don't buy, try to get them to become a deal. Try to incentivize, try to cater to objections, try to figure out why they didn't buy. Try to overcome that and get them back in and incentivize them. Offers, bonuses, maybe little discounts, some more value to get them to actually become a buyer. This is called retargeting, okay? All good leads buy, all good leads don't buy right away. Get them back in and try to get them to become a sale. At the same time, ask them, what do they want? If you know what they want, then you can distribute to them via email marketing, any content, videos, pictures, anything at all. You can distribute to them exactly what they said they wanted. That's going to allow you to have a higher open rate. It's going to keep your email list more engaged. And because you're catering to the client's specific needs, you're going to convert more sales, okay? Hope that makes sense. I hope you've loved this so far. Now, what I'm gonna go over now is how do you make sure your emails are going to the inbox, not to spam, and what are the best email marketing softwares to use? And Ben, how much money do you make from email marketing, okay? So I'm gonna go over all of that right now. So there's a lot of different email marketing softwares that you can use. Aweber, it's called Aweber, is your basic sort of beginner one, Aweber. You also have MailChimp, you have GetResponse. Okay, these are sort of your basic, I'm brand new to email marketing, I'm just getting into it, okay? These will sustain levels of under $60,000 a year. You can get by with them. If you want to break the 6 figures per year, and especially 6 figures per month, you need to get better softwares, okay? You can get these $19.99, $29, $30 a month, you know, pretty cheap. What I use personally, I use ActiveCampaign, okay? The reason I use ActiveCampaign is because it allows me to have all the integrations that I need. It allows me to have the systems to integrate everything from my payment processor to my funnels. It allows me to have more data and more metrics to understand when are people opening my emails, at what times of the day are the best for deliverability, how much my emails are going to spam, what subject lines are best for me. I can split test. It allows me to have more metrics, which obviously, as you can see, if you're sending 10 emails out, they're all the same, but this has this subject line and this has this subject line, and this one gets open 50% more, that's a lot of income left on the table over here. So I want to be able to have those metrics. ActiveCampaign is what I use. If you are serious about having an online business, or if you're serious about taking your brick and mortar and being able to do email marketing successfully, I would highly recommend that you use a good autoresponder, good email marketing system. ActiveCampaign is good. Some people use Infusionsoft. Infusionsoft is okay as well. I use ActiveCampaign. Now, inbox. Here's things that account for going to the inbox. Do not use trigger words, okay? You do not want to use trigger words. Trigger words are things like get rich quick, make money now, $100,000, specific numbers and things like that. That'll make stuff go over to spam, all right? You want to have good subject lines, okay? So your subject line is really good. It's got to be enticing. RE, order fulfillment. What? I didn't order anything. I better click on it and open. Do you know him? What? Know who? Click on it. Transcripts release. What transcripts? Okay? Hooky. That's not even a word. Is hooky a word? I'm not sure. You want to have good subject lines. And then in your copy, you obviously need to address that. What do they want? Okay? And then a lot of times, this is a really good thing, ask them to reply. Ask for an opinion or a reply. When you get a reply, it tells the email servers, Gmail, AOL if people are using that, Yahoo, it tells the email servers, hey, this email is not spam. Keep delivering it to inbox. Don't let it go over to spam. People are engaging with it. And that also tells your own system, hey, you've got an active list of subscribers. We'll keep delivering it. You're on our good list. You're not on the naughty list. You understand what I'm saying? Very good ways to do email marketing. Now, here's a screenshot here. This is last year from email marketing, just from my email list alone. It's very important, okay? It's very important that you get email marketing, because if you just start writing people off, and you think, oh, well, they saw my sales funnel, they saw my offer, and they didn't buy, you're missing out on so many sales. Let me give you some statistics. You can see right here, this is money I made last year from my email list alone. Granted, my products range anywhere from $47 on up to $25,000, sometimes more. The typical products and services that I'm promoting on my email list are an average of, I would say, $800 to $2,000, somewhere in there, okay? Anywhere from mentorship to courses to digital training programs to where we're flying out and working with clients all over the world, all right? Well, the reality is, out of, say, 30,000 people on an email list, okay? What's happened is I've accumulated 30,000 people on an email. I have much more than that now. This is just hypothetical, okay? So say I have 30,000 subscribers on an email list. I used to be at 30,000. I remember these numbers. By the time I had 30,000 people on this email list, I had like roughly about 500 buyers in the audience, okay? So you can think of what that is. That's like 3,000 would be 10%. So it was a very, very small percentage. Like 1,500 would be 5%. It was like 1%, right? It was like 1% or 2% of people on the list were actual buyers. Immediately. Like I didn't do any email marketing to them. They're buyers. There's 29,500 people left over that they haven't bought the product yet, because I didn't find out up front what do they want, and I didn't incentivize them yet. They haven't gotten any emails from me yet. So as time goes on, I can present to them different products and services. Maybe my first product wasn't good for them. Maybe my first service wasn't good for them, all right? Also, I need to be able to incentivize. I need to find out what do they want, all right? I need to send emails, okay? Out of 29,500 people, just think of this. Let's just say just one time I decided to offer them a product. Just one time now, okay? So 30,000 people on my list. Out of that 30,000, 500 bought initially before any email marketing was distributed to them. 29,500 are left. If we get just, let's just say we get, on average, 15% of people to open. So that's gonna be roughly, 2,900 would be 10%. So we'll have, like 4,500 people, about 4,500 people open, 4.5K people open an email, okay? And let's say that out of 4,500 people that open an email, only 10% of them actually click through, okay? So whatever links are in the email to buy something, only 10% click through. That's 450 people, okay? And let's say out of 450 people, this is a $100 product, okay? $100 product. Out of 450 people that click through, let's say only half of them buy. So we've got, 225 people. Times 100, okay? What is that? 225 times 10 is 2,000, that's $22,000, okay? That is why you need to do email marketing.